we're bringing this, all these wonderful parts in these boxes, and we're taking all those things to Martin's house, trying to fit all that in the E30, power washing all those parts so they're clean. I don't know how this is gonna go, and we'll get to Martin's house. Let's go.
What are we doing today?
We got a dead body in the trunk.
You guys ain't ready for this. All right, look at this. My goodness.
Oh my god. Can you believe all the suspension components fit in the back of an E30?
Honestly, hear me out. The E30 is pretty spacious.
So this is Martin's S14.5. He just swapped an SR in it, aka God's motor. We got a tube front, everything. Looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
It's great. It's a good car, you know.
Great car.
Wait, where's my sunglasses?
So Martin got a new helmet. Turn around a second.
I haven't even looked at myself. Hold on.
You gotta look at yourself.
Yeah, feel that. Feel that. Hit it. Oh, yeah. Solid. I think I'm ready.
So we got all the parts out of the... Oh god. So we got all the parts out of the E30, laid out in Martin's garage. Now it's time to disassemble and clean them.
Very nice, very nice.
So we finally stripped all the parts to its bare components. Thank you, Martin.
Stand here and here. Oh, yeah, I'll go there. Stand in that corner. Yeah, do the splits. It's gonna come up.
Well, that was easy.
Yep. Now we have to cut these sleeves out.
Alright, we got all the rear subframe bushings off. They're actually poly, not OEM, but they were actually horrible. Rest in peace to the collars. Toast. Toast. Alright, Martin, what's the problem?
Alright, so you see this pauldron, right? This is not good. You see how, look at this, limp
dig. Limp dig.
Look at this. It's not supposed to spin.
Spinning like crazy.
Ew.
We got the Weldon power brace, but we're gonna do that at my crib. Got the eccentric lockout kit. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Alright, coolio.
Lower control arm bushings.
Lower control arm bushings. And here we got power steering rack bushings. Tight. These are lower control arm ball joints.
Rear what is it? Anti-squat reduction kit.
Can you squat for me?
No.
Squat for me,
I have
dog.
a hole in my pants.
Squat for me.
I have a hole in my pants.
I don't care. Squat.
Okay.
Ooh.
Willwood Hydro Master Cylinder. Open that one. Well, at least this one came with stickers.
This one did come with stickers.
This one came with a bag.
This one didn't come with a bag. The e-brake. Hey, don't hose me on this. I really like to pull on my shanks.
End style brake lines.
And style brake lines.
Mm-hmm. Rear traction arms.
Rear traction arms.
Why are you repeating every single thing?
I don't know. It's okay. I'll shut up now.
Subframe reinforcement kit.
To make that motherfucker stronger. Alright, next part, Martin. Jesus Christ.
Ooh, it's in a box in a box.
A box in a box. The dick in the box.
Camber arms.
More arms.
Front end. Front sway bar end links.
Front sway bar end links.
Ooh, these are adjustable.
Ooh, I'm
That's
spoiled.
Cool.
I'm spoiled. That is the steering rack bushing.
You know what these are?
Those are the knuckle bushings.
Mm-hmm.
Naoki f***ed up because I was supposed to get B knuckles. Oh, look at this. This thing's amazing. But I didn't get a pair. I was supposed to get a pair, but I didn't get a pair.
What are these?
These are rear lower control arm bushings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Anyways, back to the important things.
Look at those tension arms, baby.
These actually look really nice.
They look real nice.
Mm-hmm.
Real nice. Real nice.
Okay.
Hey, what you doing later?
Your car, unfortunately.
What time you on?
6 p.m.
Damn. Why you nervous?
Why your hand's shaking? The whole camera.
Because this camera heavy as hell.
These are the knuckle reinforcement plates.
Knuckle reinforcement for all them backies, baby.
All right, YouTube. We're gonna wait to see him throw a backy first before he keeps.
I swear I'm gonna throw a backy, and I'm not gonna spin out like Martin.
What are you saying?
All right, what's in this box?
This is gonna be the Hydro E-brake. You know what these are off of, Nack?
A Beetle.
Yeah, 1969 Beetle. We're
Love
using it.
I love the color.
Mhm.
It's like Trinidad James.
E-brake lines. Very nice, very nice. You know what's cool about Villains?
What's cool about that?
Every time you buy something from Villains, they actually give you a little foam airplane.
Oh, that's sick.
Okay, so we're gonna build that now.
I'm a snap and this foam airplane is gonna be finished. Ready? There you go. Martin build a plane. Eat it. Ooh, ooh.
Dual caliper bracket. All nuts and bolts required.
Yep.
We're gonna put your master cylinder in here as well.
Yep.
So it's nice and out of the way.
And those are all my parts, yeah? Look at this haul. That's crazy. Well, now we gotta transfer all these parts onto there. And these parts will go to my house and we'll transfer those parts. Why so serious?
Why so serious?
So.
Oh, it is a ODI. I lied.
No,
It is a ODI group.
cat.
I used to be a BMX kid.
Spin that thing. Let me put my grip on.
Okay.
Get over here.
Okay, but here, I'm gonna show you this trick. My home channel.
Look at the camera.
Where am I gonna sit?
Alright, so we removed all the old bushings out of all my other parts and we unboxed a bunch of new parts. The next step is to install all these new parts on my old parts to make it brand new. Isn't that right?
I just work here.
Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.